Hello! Welcome to my first tutorial for Jitterbit Cloud Data Loader for Salesforce. In this tutorial, we will go through the registration and installation of Jitterbit Cloud Data Loader. Jitterbit Cloud Data Loader for Salesforce is a powerful data management software with advanced mapping features which allow you to create operations and transformations without the need for writing any code. But you can also write codes if you want more advanced transformations. Best of all, this software is completely 100% free. To get started, head over to jitterbit.com and on the top right corner, click on the Request Trial button. In this page, fill out your information and click on Submit. After submitting the form, you will receive an email where you can complete the registration process. After you're done with the registration, go to login.jitterbit.com and type in your username and password. Once you have logged in, you'll be taken to the DataLoader dashboard. We will first need to download DataLoader, so press the orange hamburger menu at the top left side of the screen and go to Downloads. You have the option to download either Windows or Mac version of DataLoader, depending on your operating system. Please note that at the time of recording this tutorial, DataLoader is not supported on macOS 10.15 Catalina or later. You can find more information on the system requirements for DataLoader by checking the link in the description. After you have downloaded DataLoader, if you are on Windows, double-click the installer to begin the installation process. I'll be installing for Windows in this tutorial, but the process is exactly the same for macOS. In this page, you will have to type in your username and password, which you entered during the registration process. If your company's server uses a proxy for connecting, you may have to enter the proxy information by clicking on the Enable Proxy button. Click Next when you're done. It is generally recommended to install DataLoader to the default location. However, if you wish to install it in a different folder, you can change the destination here. Click Next and the installation will begin. It may take a minute or so depending on your system. Once the installation has completed, click Next and DataLoader will open up along with the general discussion board where you can ask questions if you have any. Every time you open DataLoader, you will be presented with this login screen where you will have to enter the same username and password which you used during the registration process. In the next tutorial, we will be going through some of the issues you may face during the installation and login. One thing to keep in mind is that even if Jitterbit Cloud Data Loader is powerful, its only limitation is that it can only be used with Salesforce, and if your company requires integration with other systems, I would highly recommend you to check out the Jitterbit Harmony platform, which is a paid product but priced at a very competitive rate when compared to other integration systems. And it supports a plethora of third-party systems. Here are some of the systems supported by Jitterbit Harmony. And along with the desktop version of Jitterbit Harmony, you will also get access to the Jitterbit Cloud Studio, which runs inside a web browser, and that makes the whole system even more powerful with instant updates and easy to use interface. And best of all, you can easily import all your existing DataLoader projects directly into Jitterbit Harmony without losing any data. Remember, this video is not sponsored by Jitterbit, but I'm giving you this information on my own accord since I would be doing a disservice if you didn't know how powerful Jitterbit Harmony truly is. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.